Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Let's talk about fat, because fat gets blamed for a lot of things it didn't do. If your food tastes sharp, disconnected, or just kind of thin, that's usually not a seasoning problem, that's a fat problem. Fat is what connects everything. It carries flavor, it smooths edges. It's why food actually feels good to eat. And no, that doesn't mean add more butter to everything. Different fats do different jobs. When you add fat matters. And how fat works with salt and acid matters even more. If you ever wondered why restaurant food tastes richer without tasting greasy, this is why. In the Fat Foundation, I break down what fat actually does and how to use it with intention. Save this. Share it with someone who's afraid of fat. And tell me what dish feels dry or harsh, and we'll fix it. Thank you, and have fun cooking.